Hey there, my name is Raj and I'm a day trader who started 8 months ago. I was on and off between simulator and live after June, and whenever I used to hit a loss, I used to run back to the simulator, gain some confidence, come back, and I used to have beginner's luck, I guess, and again I started losing. So after trial and error with my strategies, with my playbook, I went in live on September 1st, and I didn't want to go back to the simulator even if I hit a loss. So far, today is the 20th day live and it's the 16th day green. So I had 4 red days. One of them was the biggest. It was 2.2k, which was a huge one. I did not respect my risk controls. My risk is $300 per day, and that day I just went bonkers. I shouldn't have, but that's how the beginner traders are. So let's see today's trades, and let me just walk you through what I did today. It was not that great. The market was choppy. I was not really happy with my trades, but if you're green, you're good, even with a small profit. So let's look at the first trade I took. It was Baba. Yes. So let's look at the trade. So here I entered. I saw that the stock was weak on the first minute candle, but it started to gain in the price action. It went above VWAP, and that's where I jumped into the trade. But the next candle again just sold off. It was below the VWAP. The price action was, again, if you see, it was choppy, so I was not that confident that it would stay above the VWAP, so I got out with a very small profit because it was a very small position. So let's look at the next trade. Next trade was MU. MU was weak in the first 5 minutes, and that's why I went short. And again, it did not go further down, and I was nervous and I got out with, again, very small profit, negligible. And then the next trade was Roku. After trading Roku for so many days, I can't get my head wrapped around this stock. I don't know why, but I should stop trading Roku because it's always gives me bad returns. So let's look at it. It went below VWAP. It was strong in first 5 minutes, but the fifth candle it dropped down, and again it dropped down on below the VWAP. It stayed below the VWAP, so I went short. But it did not hold up. It went up again, and I got out 50% position, and again I don't know, I added more, so the price looked very weak here, and before it went below the VWAP I just got out. I got nervous. It's Roku, so I don't think so I should trade Roku, but yeah, let's see. So I got a very bad loss on this as compared to what I gained today. The next one, which was SQ. So SQ was staying above VWAP, so I went. It was all above all the trend lines, and I went long, and I got out pretty quickly with, again, small position and a small profit. The price action was not that great, and it was not holding up this level, the previous candle level, so I got out pretty quickly. The fifth trade I was in was, I think, BBBY. Yeah, so BBBY opened very weak. It sold off, and then it got a momentum and it started going up. The best entry would have been around here above VWAP, above all the lines, and I was into Roku, so I don't go into simultaneous trades. So I waited and I entered here and I got out pretty quickly because again it was 9:52 and stocks start to reverse. So I got out pretty quickly with a again small profit, and I was now the whatever stocks we had in the gappers list was not working for me. So what I did was I looked to the trade idea scanner. So trade idea scanner gives you really good stocks sometimes meaning 80-85% of the times, and that has worked for me. So I saw SGen on top and bottom reversal scanner, and I took that trade scalp again. I went in, got out with a really good profit, and I was happy about it. It was almost getting me from red to green. So I wanted to trade a little bit, one more stock which is really good, and I wanted to call it a day, and I took CGC, which again popped up on the top and bottom reversal scanner. So I went short and added more on the second minute, and on the third minute I got out with a good profit. So today it was not a great day, but if you're green, it's always a good day. So that's what I feel. So let's see at the PNL. Here the best trades were CGC and SGen, NBBBY, but others didn't work out. So and Roku, again, it gave me a big loss, so I should stop trading Roku. Anyway, so thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next recap, and have a great day and stay green.